Hi friends, in this video I am going to teach you about a program in which we will copy some of the text that is written in the text files, which are two of the text files, to a Excel sheet using the C# programming language. So I have already created the text files. Here are the two files. One is the input links file, in which I have written line by line the links of the website that I want to copy into a column of a Excel file, and the other is the name of the websites written in the respective order. So I just show you how both of the links and the names probably will look like. So here are the both files. So now I will write the program to copy it into an Excel file, and we will create an Excel file programmatically, and we will save the Excel file programmatically. So let's start. So we will first go to start menu and we will open our Visual Studio. So we will create a console application. We will go to Visual C# and then we will click on console application. We will name it as copy from text file to Excel, and I will save it in my Visual Studio projects. You can save it anywhere. So it will create our project for us. Now first, before starting the project, we need to install a package from the NuGet manager. So we'll go to the tools, then NuGet package manager, then manage NuGet packages for the solution, and we will go to the browse, and then we will type Excel, and we will install this Microsoft.office.introp.excel package. We will check our project and we will install it. We will click on OK. So the tick mark has been come, and this shows that our package has been installed. Now we will start by writing the two lines that will copy all the lines of the text that are written in the text files into an array of strings. So one line will contain one line of the text file, and the whole part will be the array. So I will type string array input names lines, system dot io dot file dot read all lines, and I will give the path of the where my file has been located. So my file has been located at the desktop. So I will click on properties. I will copy this path and I will paste it here. I give a backslash, then I copy the name, I copy the name and I paste it here, and then I give the extension and I close it by semicolon. Second, I write it the same thing for the input links file. Click on properties, copy the path, paste it here, copy the name, paste it here and go. So all the lines have been copied into this array and this array. So these are the two arrays of the strings. So now I will check if both the array's length is equal, then I will proceed to further creating my Excel sheet. If not, then I will exit the loop and will show the error message. So if the input links dot length is equal to input name dot length, then perform the action, else console.writeLine. I will print in console that print same number of entries. Okay. So now I will create the variables of the Excel workbook. First of all, I will write some using statements that are Excel equal to Microsoft dot office dot intro dot Excel, and the second one is I will use a sleep thread to show you what's going on in the system. So I will write threading class. Need to import the threading class. So we are all good to go. So now I will write excel dot application o excel underscore workbook wp excel worksheet and I will create an object. Now I will write a try statement followed by a catch statement. In the try statement I will write I will start my Excel workbook. I will create a new object of Excel application. Then I will make it visible. Now I will create a new workbook. Wait till the end, the things will slowly be clear to you as we will proceed to the end of this tutorial. This will add a blank workbook to the application. Now we will create a sheet. Active sheet means the sheet which is open. Now we will add the table headers. So we will type cells and their cell numbers. 1,1 represents the A1 cell, the horizontal A1 cell. We will write serial number in it. One comma 2 represents the B1 cell. We will write name in it. 1,3 represents the C1 cell. The counting starts from 1, not from 0. Remember this thing in it. Now here we will write the format of A1 to C1 cell as bold and vertical alignment as center. For this we will write get range and we will make it true. We'll use the Excelsheet property and we will use it as center align. Now we will run the for loop. Of the elements of the string array to insert the values that we have stored in the string array into the cells of the Excel sheet. So we will write for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to, we can take any one of these. I am taking name, you can take any one of these. Input dot length, because we have first compared the length of both the arrays. So the loop, the control will enter in this section only if the length of both the arrays is equal. So you can take any one of these. So this means that the first row and This means that the first column and second row I plus 1th row, so it is set to I, that is 1 to 10. That is second column and I plus 1th, and that is I minus 1, because the string array, the index starts from 0, so that is why we are taking I minus 1. You can check it by debugging. This index starts, this is a string array, so the index starts from 0. That is why we are taking in both of these, this and this, we are taking I minus 1, because I is starting from 1, so we are taking I minus 1. Now the values will be entered at this point of time, so we will apply a thread dot sleep for 3 seconds. Let's say we apply for 5 seconds. Now we will apply auto fit on columns A to C. Orange dot entire column auto fit. We have applied the auto fit here. Now we will make the Excel visible false. Now we will save as. Where on the desktop we want to save, so we will copy the path of the desktop. And we will save as it as output dot XLS. We need to write this on the paper, So now try to build the solution. The build has been succeeded. So now let's run the solution. So here is our Excel sheet being updated. Now if we open the Excel sheet, here is the Excel sheet. So if you want to see it, there are 10 entries in the Excel sheet. If you delete the Excel sheet and make one more entry in the link table, and save it and try to run the program, it gives error. Please enter the same number of entries. So if you enter the name here, this makes the same number of entries, that is 12, and now run the program. It will give 11 entries. If you see, here are 11 entries in the Excel sheet. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos from us, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.